In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim cashback on Eneba. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we basically need to do is make sure we have Eneba download and installed onto our device. Then from here, we need to go ahead and start browsing for particular games that have cashback attached to them. So if I scroll down on the home page here, marketplace, we're going to see different games here. So you can see some games here. So we got Fortnite. So this has a cashback of 10%, and we can look at all the upcoming games and stuff. So basically we need to make sure we purchase a game that has actually cashback. Not all games do. So say for example, I want to go ahead and purchase Fortnite here with a cashback of, what did it say? Scroll down here, I think it said 11%. So let's go back to the main screen here. Or cashback 10%. So if when we buy this game, we're going to get a 10% return. Then basically what we need to do is just go ahead and purchase that game. Go ahead and you might need to sign up to your account there. And now we need to choose a different method. So we can see here the total price, £2.30. I'm going to get £30.30 back. So if we go ahead and we can use our Eneba wallet, PayPal, credit or debit card. But be careful here as well. So depending what payment method you use, you're not going to get that cashback. So cashback is not given when an Eneba wallet is used as a payment method. So if we do PayPal, you can see here the cashback. So there you go, £30.30. Credit or debit card, I think it's going to be basically the same here as well. But you're going to have a service fee. And also cashback won't be awarded if you use any discount codes. So yeah, keep that in mind. Then from there, you can go ahead and claim your cashback. So after your cashback or after your purchase, go to your order or cashback session in your Eneba account. There should be an option or a button that says something like claim cashback. Click that to receive your cashback reward.